So welcome back. This is lecture 23 of PGBP and this is for CMA Intermediate June 2022 session. ठीक है, ये हमारा lecture 23 है PGBP का. ठीक है. So we were into amortization of telecom license fee. One minute. Okay, so हमने ये देखा कि it is available to all assessees और जो capital expenditure acquired for acquiring any right to operate telecommunication services. ठीक है, तो आपका बेसिकली ये एक लाइसेंस चार्ज है. ओके, यू गेट अ लाइसेंस चार्ज और लाइसेंस इज अमोर्टाइज्ड इन अ सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ इयर्स. तो उसका डिडक्शन कैसे मिलेगा, दैट वी आर सीइंग हियर. ओके, one important condition is payment should have been made. Okay, so expenditure may be incurred before or after commencement, and for revenue expenditure you will get deduction in section 37(1). ठीक है, so here start now कि डिडक्शन अब कैसे मिलता है. ओके, सो एक्चुअल एक्सपेंडिचर इनकर्ड एंड पेड. ठीक है, जितना आपका जो एक्सपेंडिचर है, जितना आपने पे कर दिया है, ओके, यू विल गेट इट इन इक्वल इंस्टॉलमेंट्स ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ लाइसेंस. ठीक है, तो सॉरी, ये सब जो लाइसेंस है, दिस लाइसेंसेस हैव अ पीरियड. ठीक है, जितना पीरियड ऑफ लाइसेंस है उतना पीरियड में यू विल गेट डिडक्शन. ओके, तो अगर लाइसेंस आपका 8 साल का है, सो जितना भी आपका वट एवर इज योर एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन द लाइसेंस, यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय 8 एंड यू विल गेट इट इन दोज 8 years. ओके, so now there are two cases here when the license fee is paid before commencement. If you have paid the fees before commencement of business, you start getting the deduction from the year of commencement. Okay, from the year of commencement you start getting deduction. Okay, if you have paid the fees before commencement. So if you have paid the fees after commencement, okay, so from whenever you have paid from that previous year, you will start getting deduction. Okay. Okay, so ये है आपका when you have paid. ठीक है, वैसे तो कोई और केस बचता नहीं है. If any other case, anything other than this happens, then also the previous year in which you have actually paid, from then you will get deduction. Okay, and no depreciation is allowed here also. Okay, तो ये हो गया हमारा deduction. And ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बस थोड़ा शॉर्टन करके I have just written something. ये है, one is if you have sold the license. अब ये license, इसमें सब क्या होता है ना कि it is very costly, and then one person maybe one company maybe have bought it, but it is not able to handle the whole thing. So then it can, it sells some part of the license to someone. ठीक है, इसलिए license का selling का क्या treatment है, okay? That also we have to see. For license selling, same treatment as for terminal depreciation and balancing charge. मैंने short में लिखा है, लंबा चौड़ा लिखा है आपके in your study material, basically because you know what is terminal depreciation and balancing charge. So ये एक sentence में हम समझ सकते हैं इसको. Okay, same treatment as terminal depreciation and balancing charge. ये full license is sold. ठीक है, ओके. So यानी क्या करेंगे, यानी up to the deduction, 100% deduction you will get already. So up to the deduction, it will be your business income. Okay. And more than your deduction will be your capital gain. Okay. Okay. But you won't use the word terminal depreciation balancing charge. ठीक है, मैंने पहले बता दिया आपको कि you use this word only for SLM method of electricity. ठीक है, तो मैंने बोला same treatment as done for, मैंने बोला ठीक है, like terminal depreciation and balancing charge, full asset is sold. But amalgamation और demerger whatever हम फिर पहले देखते आए हैं वही होगा. ठीक है, so amalgamation demerger happens. Say for example, total life of license is this much is for the previous company. Okay, and after year amalgamation has happened and this is for the next company. Okay, अब क्या करेंगे? If amalgamation is happening, जितना इसको मिल गया, whatever this company has gotten, the old company, okay, whatever deduction it has got, उसको आप total deduction से minus करेंगे and the remaining deduction will be available for the amalgamated company, such that total deduction, if you add about deductions, it should be equal to the total license amount. Okay, yeah, same thing we used to do always before also, right? When amalgamation happens, whatever you treat amalgamating and amalgamated as the same, correct? Whatever deduction this has already got, your amalgamating company, okay, that part amalgamated will not get again. Okay, ठीक है ना? ये करते थे ना पहले भी. Same thing you have to do, nothing this thing. इसलिए इसको मैंने short में लिखा है यहाँ पे. It will be easy for you to comprehend. Like the succeeding company can claim deduction for residual period. Okay. Achha, similar deduction is also available under ABA. This was section ABB. ABA bhi hai. Okay. In that, everything is same. You are given deduction like that. And this is for right to use spectrum. Okay. If you get a right to use spectrum, okay. If you have acquired right to use spectrum, okay, then ABA में मिलता है. Okay, दोनों similar चीज है बहुत. ठीक है, समझ लो भाई भाई है, समझ लो. Okay, so ABA में you get right to use spectrum और ABB में you get for license. Okay, so बहुत ही समझ लो 19-20 का फर्क है. Okay, it's very very similar both of it. और deduction also you get in the same manner. ठीक है. So chalo, now we'll do some problems. Telfast Limited, a company providing telecommunication services, obtains a telecom license on 24/2021. ठीक है, ये हमारे previous year में आता है 2022, right? So he obtained a license. The person obtained a license on 24/2021 for 10 years. ठीक, कभी भी आपको इसमें जो है ना लाइसेंस का पीरियड दिया रहेगा, क्योंकि ना डिडक्शन इज नॉट कब कितने साल तक कंपनी चल रही है. ओके, हाउ लॉन्ग दिस कंपनी इज रनिंग और हाउ लॉन्ग योर इक्विपमेंट इज रनिंग. डिडक्शन इज नॉट ऑन दैट बेसिस. डिडक्शन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लाइसेंस. ओके, पीरियड ऑफ लाइसेंस, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. ठीक है, सो इवन सो ये हो गया फॉर पीरियड ऑफ 10 years. लाइसेंस इज फॉर 10 years. इट एंड्स ऑन 31/3/2031. So it's 10 years. Like if you count यहाँ पे लाइसेंस वगैरह में ना, it might not exactly come to one year. ठीक है, तो some days here and there it will be there. Okay, in terms of license. Okay, so like if you count from year to year, some days difference will be there. ठीक है, so that is okay. Which ends on 31/3/2031. Now license fee being 18 lakhs. So now you have 10 years का license है. License का fee is 18 lakhs. For 1 year कितना रहेगा? 18 lakhs upon 10, 18 upon 10. Okay, which will be 1.8 lakhs. Will be 1 year's deduction. ठीक है. तो अगर ये पहले साल में भी ना, yes, they have started from 24, but even in the first year they will get 1.8 lakh deduction. ठीक है. So this deduction is not on the period of days, remember. ठीक है. ये जो डिडक्शन मिल रहा है, आपका लाइसेंस कितने दिन चल रहा है, on that basis you are getting the deduction. ठीक है. So days, ये depreciation नहीं है कि आपको days देखना है. It is not depreciation. Okay, that you have to see days. चलो, so first thing first, इतना समझ गए कि for a period of 10 years total license fee is 18 lakhs. So per year amortization will be 1.8 lakhs. That we are all fine with, correct? So चलो अब आगे चलते हैं. We'll move ahead. Now find out the amount of deduction under ABB 35 ABB. Okay, if the entire amount is paid, 3 conditions they have given us. Okay, one is entire amount is paid on 6/5/2021. That is, iske after some days they have, in the next month he has paid. Okay, so basically in the same year he has paid. 6/5/2021 means in the same year he has paid, correct? So now he, in the first case, he will get deduction of 1.8 lakhs for these 10 years. Starting from 21-22 will be 1.8 lakhs. 22-23 will be 1.8 lakhs. Okay. Okay. This is how for 10 years he'll get here in the first case. Now, for the second case, the entire amount is paid on 1/4/22. Okay. So next year he has paid. Now, as we know, you will get deduction starting from 1/4/22. Okay. So because it is starting from 1/4/22, now the total license period for him has become 9 years. Okay, you are giving deduction from one year later now, correct? So you will have 9 years to amortize in this case. इस केस में क्या करेंगे आप? Okay, you will just take 18 lakhs divided by 9, so it will give you 2 lakhs. Okay, so in this case deduction will be 2 lakhs for 9 years. ठीक है. और now the third case is the entire amount is paid in equal installments. Okay, so he hasn't paid in one shot. In both these cases, he has paid in one shot. Just in different previous years, he has paid. First case, he has paid in previous year 21-22. Second case, he has paid in previous year 22-23. That was the only difference. But paid in lump sum, one shot. Okay. Now, in the second case, he is paying in installments. Okay. On 34-21, this is 21-22. This is 22-23, and this is 23-24. Equal installment means what? 18 lakhs upon 3 is we would be paying 666 lakhs. ठीक है. चलो देखते हैं. Let us examine it. Okay. So first case, this is case A, case B, case C. Okay. Now, okay, we are talking about case A. In case A, what did we say? 21-22, on this date he made the payment in this year. And so what was the total value of spectrum? 18 lakhs. Okay. Correct. 18 lakhs was the total value. And how many years? For 10 years. Okay. So per year will be 18 upon 10 to 1.8. Okay. 1.8 lakhs is nothing but 1,80,000. Okay. Just multiply by 1 lakh, you will get 1,80,000. Okay. For 10 years you have to do. So now here, so this will become on in next year again, you will give the same amount, and 8 years after that, every year you will give the same amount. Okay. This is the annual amount. Right? This is how in case A you will get the entire deduction. Okay. Now in case B, what is happening is the first year he did not pay. As we know, this is a deduction on payment basis. because he did not pay in case B, on the first year, he did not get any deduction. Okay. But he paid in the next year. So now he should get all deduction, whatever is he should get. He should get in 9 years now, correct? Because 1 year is already gone past, and you will be given deduction in the during the life of the license. Life of the license will not change. If 1 year has gone from 10, how much is remaining? 9 years. Okay. So in this year, what you will do is you again have 18 amount remains same, and this years become 9. Okay, years become 9. So per year amortization amount becomes 18 upon 9, 2 lakhs. Okay, understood? So now 2 lakhs will give him for 9 years, which is why इसको क्या मिलेगा? This is the first year now. When he paid, he'll get 2 years. This is the remaining 8 years here. He'll get again 2 lakhs for all 8 years. This is how he'll get the total deduction. Okay. So case 1, case A and KB, this is what happened. What we have seen is okay, only the quantum of individual deduction per year was different. Okay, but in the end, he got the whole thing. Okay. So now in case 3, what is happening? Let us see. So he has paid 1/3 on 30/4/2021, 1/3 on this date, 1/3 on this date. Okay. So 18 lakhs upon 3 is 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs he paid on this date. Okay. So now that he has paid 6 lakhs on this date, consider that he has purchased spectrum or license for 6 lakhs in this date. ठीक है, तो 6 lakhs का डिडक्शन चालू कर दो, उसने दे दिया है ना अभी 21 में, he has given 6 lakhs, so 6 lakhs upon 10 कर दो. Okay, do 6 lakhs upon 10, which will be 60,000, and start your deduction from 21-22. Okay, then whenever he has given this another 6 lakhs, then start the deduction from that year. Okay, and in other words मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि what I'm saying is, so this is your first installment. Okay, and this is your second installment, and this is your third installment. Okay, and what is the total amount? Amount is 6 lakhs total, each of the 3. And here the 3 lives also we know. ठीक है, पहले वाले में 10 years था, second में 9 years, third is 8 years. Okay, so just consider this as 3 independent spectrums. इस तरह से आपको मानना है. Okay, whatever payment he has made, that becomes 1 spectrum or 1 license. ठीक है, so do 6 lakhs upon 10 and just start giving him the deductions. Okay, then what it will be is for 21-22 he'll get 60,000. 22-23 he'll get another 60,000. ठीक है, और बाद में remaining 8 years he'll again get 60,000. ठीक है, now for the next one, 6 lakhs he has 9 years, correct? उसके पास 9 साल है, अभी 10 साल नहीं है इसके. So you will do 6 lakhs upon 9 to get the installment amount, same like we did before. समझ गया क्या? Okay, so 6 lakhs upon 9 is इतना आता है 667. Second, first year में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, like you will not get anything on the first year, and in second year he'll get, and the remaining 8 years again he'll get. ठीक है, third वाले में again just do 6 lakhs upon 8, just do this, will get the installment amount. Okay, यहाँ भी उसने जो है पहले 2 साल में उसको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, nothing, he'll get remaining 8 year period he'll get 75,000. So 6 lakhs upon 8 is 75,000. अब जो है ये हो गया आपका. ठीक है, अब now just see year wise on previous year 21-22 में total how much deduction is. Add these three. Okay, then you will get 6 lakhs. ठीक है, for 21 22 23 add these three again. These two will get added and this much is the deduction you will get in this year. Or third year onwards you will get the whole deduction. समझ गए? Here is going to get the whole deduction. ठीक है, इस तरह से deduction will be computed here. यही चीज आपको ऊपर लेके जाना है टेबल में. See here, this was our first table, right? ये जो 1 and 2 was over, and for the rest 60,000 comes from here. Okay, 1,20,066 comes from here. Third one comes from here. Understood? इस तरह से आपको बांटना है. This is how you will have to pay. ठीक है. Sometimes I take little bit of time in giving you notes, right? It is because of these things here. You can see this dotted line. This is the print line. Now अब ये जो है आपका ये table है. Okay, I do not prefer one full table to be split into 2 pages. इसके लिए मेरे को अभी ना I'll have to either push this up or down. That affects other ये. इसीलिए sometimes in these cases it takes more time. Printing that has to be adjusted. चलो ठीक है, वो तो दूसरी बात है. तो ये समझ गया, this problem you understood. Now अभी जो है, so these are 2 more problems हमको करने हैं, वो हम करते हैं. I'll take you to the study material now straight away. ठीक है, ये problem इसमें किए थे, so you can understand well that we can do. ठीक है, ये हम डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. 14 and 15. एक मिनट. Okay, so this is your example 14. Twinkle Enterprises acquired a telecom license. Details in respect of such license. Okay, so acquisition cost of licenses 1 lakh. Okay, and life of licenses 10 years. Okay, so in normal cases, what will be the deduction? 10,000, right? 1 lakh upon 10 in 10 years. In normal case, if he has paid it on the first year. Okay. Now, date of purchase. Date of purchase is 16/8/2020. Okay, 2020-21 he has purchased it. Okay, and license has been sold 100%. What is the meaning of 100% is you can split and sell it also, license. Okay, you can sell part of license as well, which is why they are saying 100%. Okay, so full license has been sold. Okay, and if full license gets sold, you will give the treatment of terminal depreciation and balancing charge. Okay, and payment terms is lump sum. Together he has paid. Okay, date of first payment. Now there is no question of first year. When we are paying in lump sum, you will give only one payment, wasn't it? So this means that you have paid the whole sum on 16/8/2020. That is the same date. Date of purchase and date of payment are same here. Okay. So now next is you have sold the license, right? So he has given us the date of sale of license. Sold on 15/3/2023. This 15th March. So 22/23. You have sold in 22/23 and you have purchased in 21/22. Okay, sorry, 2021. So 2021, 21, 2022. Two years you have kept it, and in 22/23 you have sold it. Okay, and you have sold it for how much? You have sold it for 1,20,000. State the tax consequences up to 2022/23. Okay, is asking us only up to 2022/23. ठीक है, चलो, let's see. Here, actually, if you see, here commencement of business is not given. Okay, so you can just assume here that because purchase is also same date, payment is same date, so you would have commenced from 2020. That's the assumption you can take. ठीक है, so चलो, तो अभी देखेंगे. 2021 is the first year, right? 21/22 is the second year. This is the third year. Okay. So हमने क्या देखे थे? 1 lakh was the license fee, right? In 10 years was the year. So per year deduction would be 1 lakh. 10 lakhs upon 10. Okay. 1 lakh upon 10. Sorry, 1 lakh upon 10. ठीक है. So 1 lakh upon 10 कितना होता है आपका? 10,000. First year में you would have taken this deduction fully. Second year में भी लिया होगा. और year of sale, when you sell this asset, on that year you will not get any deduction. ठीक है. जिस साल आपने बेच दिया है उस साल आपको नहीं मिलता है. Okay. So when on 22/23 you will not get any deduction. ठीक है. So now अब आप ये देखना है कि ना, ठीक है, यहाँ पे last two they're just showing computation. ठीक है. One is business income is 20,000, capital gain is 20,000. How? We'll see. ठीक है. तो आप year till this year 20,000 डिडक्शन मिल गया ना उसको. Okay, these 2 years he has got 20,000 deduction. And what is his license cost? 1 lakh. So what will be its written down value? Okay, its written down value will be 80,000. ठीक है. उसका written down value 80,000 होगा. समझ में आ गया? Because ये 20,000 he has got deduction on it already. Okay, इसमें क्या हो जाएगा अब आपका? So क्या मैंने बोला था, it will be same as terminal depreciation and balancing charge, है ना? तो यहाँ पे so ये लेते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay. So cost is 1 lakh. Okay. Cost is 1 lakh and WDV is how much? 80,000. Okay. Cost is 1 lakh, WDV is 80,000. ठीक है. और ये WDV कैसा मैंने how did I arrive at WDV? 1 lakh minus 20,000. 20,000 is the deduction already given. Okay. So now he has sold it for kitna? 1,20,000. Yeah, sale value is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. पूरा एसेट बेच दिया उसने. ठीक है. So 80,000 का एसेट he has sold it for how much? 1,20,000. ठीक है. पूरा एसेट बिक गया। अब इसमें कितना डेप्रिसिएशन है टेकन ऑलरेडी, डेप्रिसिएशन ऑलरेडी टेकन इज, हालांकि दिस इज डिडक्शन, ओके, so this is basically amortization, okay, so it is seen same as depreciation. So what is your amortization? Amortization, ठीक है, कितना आपने amortize किया था? 20K, 20K का डिडक्शन इन्होंने दिया है, तो 20K का डिडक्शन दिया है तो बोलेगा कि अगर तुम बेच रहे हो तो फर्स्ट रिटर्न माय 20K, ओके। सो इसीलिए जब 80 और 120 के बीच में कितना, हाउ मच इज द टोटल प्रॉफिट ही हैज गॉट, हाउ मच इज द टोटल प्रॉफिट ही हैज गॉट? 40,000, 40,000 is the total profit he has got, okay. So if 40,000 में से 20,000 will be business income, okay, other than that the remaining profit of 20,000 will be capital gain, ठीक है, इसीलिए ये ऐसा है, we got this. देखेंगे इनका solution, okay, again based on that method, okay. So minimum of the following, the surplus जो आया है 40,000, earlier deduction is 20,000, ठीक है. So up to 20,000, up to accumulated depreciation is ये, ठीक है. इसको आप एक सेंटेंस में भी लिख सकते हैं, you can just say, इसको आप if you want to write it easily, इसको आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, surplus to the extent of accumulated depreciation, ऐसा लिख देना, surplus to the extent of accumulated depreciation, और सीधा 20,000 लिख दो बस, that's all, okay. और capital gains will always be sale less cost of acquisition, जो है it will be capital gains 20,000, short term capital gains, ठीक है, ओके, समझ में आया? तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या ट्रीटमेंट किया, गिवन द सेम ट्रीटमेंट एज टर्मिनल डेप्रिसिएशन एंड बैलेंसिंग चार्ज। जब भी कोई एसेट पूरा बिक जाता है ना, एक एसेट ही है आपका एंड यू आर सेलिंग इट फुल्ली, ऑलवेज इट शुड स्ट्राइक यू दैट यू विल यूज द टर्मिनल डेप्रिसिएशन एंड बैलेंसिंग चार्ज मेथड, ओके। अभी देखिए ये लास्ट प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है, छोटा सा है, हम लोग कर लेंगे, ओके। इसमें बस जो है ना आपको पार्ट ऑफ लाइसेंस का ट्रीटमेंट दिया है। अब देखिए पार्ट ऑफ लाइसेंस में क्या देखना है ना आपको, व्हाट यू हैव टू सी इज दिस इज वन फुल लाइसेंस, ठीक है, दिस वन फुल लाइसेंस इज वन फुल लाइसेंस, दिस इज लाइक अ ब्लॉक ऑफ एसेट, ठीक है। दिस वन फुल लाइसेंस इज मेड अप ऑफ मेनी स्मॉल लाइसेंसेस, ऐसा ऐसा देखना है आपको, ये एक लाइसेंस हो गया, ये इज जस्ट मेड अप ऑफ मेनी सच स्मॉल, ये सारे जो है these are all like assets in this block, ठीक है। इसीलिए जब आप एक part of asset if you sell, okay, you will treat this whole thing as a block, और block में से एक asset हम जो बेचते हैं उसको क्या करते हैं, okay, what we will do when we sell an asset from a block, that treatment you will do, okay, not terminal depreciation treatment, okay, इस तरह से देखा जाता है। टेलीकॉम लाइसेंस है, the details of the license, acquisition cost is 3 lakhs, life of license 7 years, ठीक है। now date of purchase, यह date of purchase, ठीक है, and date of first payment is this, say 1819 है, but date of first payment is 1920, okay, license कितना है 7 years का, okay, so then 1920 से you will start giving 6 years depreciation, correct? He purchased on this but he did not pay, so license यहीं से आपके 7 years का था, so in 2019-20 onwards you will get deduction for 6 years, correct? 3 lakh upon 6 years, right? वही हमने देखा था ऊपर, and sale value is 1,20,000, a license is sold to the extent of 40%, ठीक है, ये partial sale, and date of sale is 21, okay, so 1920 2021 1920 Okay, and this is 2021, this is 21-22, ठीक है, sold on 21-22। चलो तो इसका ट्रीटमेंट देख लेते हैं सीधा। अप टू 21-22 मांग रहा है आपसे, अप टू 21-22। यहाँ क्या करना है ना आपको, जस्ट यूज द ब्लॉक ऑफ एसेट मेथड, ठीक है। 18-19 there is no deduction, 19-20 and 20-21 you have got deduction of 5 lakhs। how? 3 lakhs upon 6, ठीक है, 5 lakhs 5 lakhs, ठीक है। और 21-22 का डिडक्शन हम देखेंगे क्या है। ओके, we'll find out। So चलो, so now first thing is after the first 2 years 50,000 depreciation मिल गया आपको। So balance of license on 1/4/21, 50/50 is 1 lakh, will be 3 lakhs minus 1 lakhs। This is the balance on 1/4/2021, ठीक है। This is like written down value on 1/4/2021, इसके जैसा है ये, ठीक है। और एक ही ठीक है। एंड लेस सेल ऑफ लाइसेंस करेंगे आप, कितने में बेचे थे आपने? 120 में। नाउ बैलेंस वैल्यू इज 80, और आपको डेप्रिसिएशन यू गेट ऑन सॉरी बैलेंस अमोर्टाइजेशन नाउ यू विल गेट ऑन 80,000, ठीक है। यहां से आपके बैलेंस लाइफ इज 4 years। ओके, सो यू विल नाउ स्टार्ट गेटिंग डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर 4 years on 80,000 upon 4, which gives you 20,000, ठीक है। इसको मैं रिपीट करता हूं। इसमें हमने क्या किए, सीधा सीधा जो है ना, आपको फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू है, ओके, ऑन 1/4/21। 2 years का आपको 1 लाख डिडक्शन मिल गया था, सो योर WDV इज 2 lakhs, ठीक है। क्या करते हैं हम, सेल को, परचेज को ऐड करते हैं रिटर्न अपने ब्लॉक ऑफ एसेट में। व्हाट डू यू डू? सेल यू डिडक्ट, तो सेल को डिडक्ट कर दीजिए। 40% को विल कंसिडर पार्ट ऑफ ब्लॉक ऑफ दैट लाइसेंस, ऐसा मानेंगे, ओके। सो बैलेंस इज 80,000। अब जो बैलेंस है यू विल गेट इट टू अमोर्टाइज। 4 years बचे हैं ना, 4 साल में अगेन यू कैन डिवाइड बाय 4 एंड 20,000 ईच ईयर यू कैन गेट। यस का ये अंडरस्टूड। ओके, तो आप लोग एक बार देख लेना, कुछ अगर पूछना हो तो यू कैन आस्क मी।
सर इस पे कैपिटल गेन की कैलकुलेशन नहीं है?
नहीं, इस पे कैपिटल गेन नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि आप ब्लॉक ऑफ एसेट में क्या करते हो, वट एवर इज सोल्ड, अगर एक बार बेचने के बाद अगर आपका नेगेटिव नहीं आया, जैसे इसमें क्या करते हो, इफ दिस वाज ओवर 22 lakhs तब कैपिटल गेन आएगा। तो अभी तक आपके ब्लॉक में वैल्यू बाकी है, सो देयर इज नो कैपिटल गेन्स टिल देयर इज वैल्यू इन द ब्लॉक। ओके।